Let's discuss how to pitch. First step is choose a website. Let's suppose you want to write for SitePoint.com. Visit your targeted website such as SitePoint.com and see which post or which topics get the most views, most shares and most comments. And what's the tone, voice and style of their post. What type of articles they are publishing. In step 2, brainstorm your killer idea. Based on the research, think of few angles that tie in your expertise with the stuff that their existing audience is responding well to. And it's a good idea to come up with a list of 3 to 5 potential topics and headlines. In third step, pitch the website. Make sure to review their submission guidelines, if any, and grab the attention with a strong proposed headline. Share few article ideas and link to your previously written articles. Here you can see an example pitch. Write a simple and short message. My message is short and simple. I would like to contribute to your website. Add name of the website. And if you have written articles for some other blogs, share the links of other blogs. In next paragraph, share some topics. I would like to write about blogging, web design and marketing. And see if there aren't any articles about a specific topic, you can mention that topic. There aren't many articles about email marketing at your website. Next, you need to share some headlines. 15 tips for beginner bloggers. This is just an example post. 20 ways to save money when you have a baby. If you are going to write for parenting blog, top 7 tips for successful job applications. These are just suggestions. Of course, I am open to changing it. And finally, share a link of your previously written article. To get a sense of my writing, you can check out my articles on my blog or anywhere. You can share your links here. And finally, add your name. At SitePoint.com Write for Us page, you can find information how to write and submit your article. You can see what type of content they are looking for, length of article, length of quick tips and tutorials. They also accept video content. Don't forget to read and follow submission guidelines. After reading their guidelines, you can pitch to editor at SitePoint.com. If you would like to write for plzz.com, you can find information at plzz.com/teach, and you can see what type of content they are looking for. You can create a how-to tutorial in written or screencast format. Some blogs such as plzz accept articles from guest bloggers and they will pay you for your content. But you cannot find any Write for Us page here. So you can contact them directly. So now you understand how to pitch.